Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you a Christmas card that I received and from the Crafty Friends, and then I have two other ones that were family related that were handmade and sent to me. So this is the card that I received from Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts. If you guys don't know her, please head on over to her channel. You will absolutely adore her. She made this Christmas card. Isn't that beautiful? Just love that. So it says, thinking of you at Christmas, and it has all the ornaments and that on here. It's beautiful, beautiful designer paper. I just love that. You can see the foiling on it. Very pretty. And these stars are added on. So that's pretty. And then just the inside, it says, with loving wishes for a bright and beautiful season. So I'll just leave it at that. And again, head on over to her channel. You will absolutely adore Tammy. I'll put all her information below. And then I'll just show you this one is from one of the aunts here in my family, or actually my husband's family. So his side. So isn't this beautiful? This is just like the little stickers, it looks like, that you get, that you would put on windows, or just stickers actually. And it's all glittered up. It's beautiful. So she had that part cut out with the Merry Christmas on it. I just love this writing. I love that. And she has some bling and this beautiful ribbon. That's very, very pretty. And then just on the inside, just has like the doily type cutout and the most wonderful time of the year. And then that there, very pretty. Love that. And then this one as well. It's from my husband's cousin Johanne, and a beautiful little card that she did up here herself. Isn't that pretty? All right, guys, so this is my Merry Mail, and this, look at this beautiful card. Isn't that something? Have a warm and cozy Christmas. This is from Gail, Patricia's Dollar Tree Hauls and More, and you all know Gail. If you don't, please head on over to her channel. I just love watching her videos. She does show some project shares. She doesn't do tutorials or anything, but she does hauls, and she does amazing project shares of the things that she's created, and I just adore her. So she wanted to send me some things, and well, let's take a look at what she sent. This is amazing. Gail, you didn't have to send me all this. I'm truly, truly grateful for this. So the first thing we have, oh, they are so adorable. Look at those elephants. Never seen this before. Tons of fun, dream big, make a wish. Look at that. So guys, Crafter Square. I don't have a Dollar Tree here, so these are perfect. That is so adorable. And of course, on all my stuff that I have these stickers as well, and I love using these on everything, on my cards and everything. But oh, look at that. That's such a great idea, Gail. Never thought of doing something like that. Well, this is why when you receive these things, or you watch the videos, you see all these project shares or tutorials, and they're just so inspiring. So it just gives me some ideas for next year. Perfect. I love that. That's super adorable. And of course, she made that. And then we have, oh, kitty cats. Oh, so adorable. I just love kitty cats. I love all animals, kitty cats and dogs. Perfect. Oh, and it says perfect. Oh, look at those butterfly stickers. I haven't seen those ones. So those are little gem icons. Oh, they're pretty. Love the coloring in those. Thank you, Gail. Oh my God, I'm so excited for all this. And these are some flower stickers, and they're dimensional. Oh, look at the girls. Love those. Thank you so much, Gail. Oh my God, I'm surprised by this mail. I wasn't expecting. I did know she was sending something, but I didn't realize it was going to be all this. I'm so appreciative, Gail. Now, I have to tell you guys, this is amazing, because I have to tell you, here in our Dollarama, here on the east coast of Canada, we don't have a Dollar Tree. But we also don't have, in my Dollaramas, round curtain rings. I have to tell you, I'm so shocked by it. They are shaped very odd. They're more, if I was to squish this circle, they'd be more that shape, the ones that are at Dollarama. Why they're not round, I have no clue. But the only round ones I could get were the metal, and they're too heavy. And if you send them out in mail, you're going to be paying a fortune. Thank you so much, Gail, because I think she saw that I was making the Christmas wreaths, and these would be perfect. Thank you so much, Gail. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then these, oh, look at the clothespins. They're super adorable. They look so easy to make, but when I try to make them, they don't turn out like that. They're not so pretty that way. Thank you. Those are super adorable. I did see that she made these. Oh, and I'm so glad you sent them to me, because now I can take a look and be inspired and create from your creations. That's amazing. So that's what she used. Just from using the shower curtain rings, that's what she created, these beautiful little ornaments. That is so adorable. That is amazing. Thank you so much. And then we have here, I think this is a memory decks card. Oh, look at that. That is amazing. And I love the color choice for the traditional colors. Just absolutely love that. Gail, you did an amazing job. Look at all the trim and these flowers we get from Dollarama. Now, I didn't see it in these colors, but I wasn't really looking either, so I guess that's my fault. But she put some trim or thread in there. Very, very pretty with the little Santa. And then on the back, it has that paper there. This is so pretty. And this little gemmy flower and some other gems on it. Some stickers. That is so adorable. And then let me just pull this out here. And guys, look at that. She has a little magnet, and it has Gail's, Patricia's, Dollar Trees, Hauls, and more. Dollar Tree, I keep saying trees. Dollar Tree, Hauls, and more. That is such a great idea. Love that idea. I wonder if that'll stick on my... I'll have to find something metal to put that on in my craft room. And then we have Gail, aka Gail's, Patricia, Dollar Tree, Hauls, and more. Favorite colors, purple and Tiffany blue. Favorite things, here's her family, grandchildren, paper, crafting, painting, and fishing. I love fishing. I just started fishing this time with my husband this year more than I have before. So I love it too. And then she's on YouTube and Instagram. Look at that. I haven't seen these at Michael's anymore. I don't know why, but we haven't been able to find these at Michael's. That is super adorable, Gail. You did an amazing job on that. Thank you so much for sending this. Thank you so much. And then Crafter Square, these craft clamps. Perfect. Love these. You could use these for so many things. That's perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then some craft beads. Oh, these are adorable. I'm sure my niece and I are going to have a lot of fun with these. It's a great idea, and it even shows you on there on some things to create. That's perfect. I love that. Oh my, I haven't seen these. Well, in my hand anyway. These are so adorable. Those are the animal balloons. They look like gummy bears. They're so cute. Those are going to be fun to create with. Love that. Thank you so much, Gail. And then the last couple pieces are these here. Oh, love that. Thank you so much, Gail, for thinking of me and sending this off. You didn't have to do that. Yeah, I'm so happy that we know each other and have become crafty friends. And I love watching your videos and listening to you tell us some stories about yourself and your family. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and the happiest of New Year's. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.